Welcome to Path Guitars, and I've been not wanting to come out here and work, but I had to get this one done. This one is Fishin rock. This is a rock from Cayuga Lake here in New York. There's a couple fishing lures, steamer basket pedal, and then on the back I got a sticker left over from last year's fundraiser raffle guitars, where the guys were giving me all kinds of goodies to build with. So this is the Fishin rock. This does give it a nice sound. Got your yardstick so you can still measure your fish while you're playing, and then the headstock is yellow heart in the middle, walnut, and then curly and bird's eye maple. If you look on this side, it's going to be hard to see in this. Right down in here, there's some bird's eye on this thing. So, and trying to get a little better content for you guys. Let's see what I did here. Got a string on here for a guitar strap. And I just wanted to give you guys some sound samples on this, and so let me grab a book, because you guys have been around a while. You know I can't play anything without a book. Someday I might memorize a whole song, you never know. But today's not that day. So let's see what we got here. This is one of C.B. Giddy books. This is hymnal number 1, and here's Amazing Grace at the beginning of the book. So give it a little sound sample. This is acoustic. You may have noticed it is plugged in, but the amp is off behind me, so we'll turn that on in a minute. But here it is, acoustic. Alright, let's see if I can do chords. My fingers are pretty sore. I cut a couple fingertips last week, so trying to do anything, even going into the cigar box meetup, not happening. Never built one with a rock for a bridge. Never tried to intonate a bridge that's a rock till just 10 minutes ago. And it's close. It's not perfect, but I think I'd have to cut the grooves in the rock differently to actually get it fully intonated, but it's close. So we'll leave it at that. Alright. Give you guys some amplification here. working my way through this book last night, so let me see what else we got that maybe I could play here. I like all these old hymns, but there's a few in here I don't know. That one. I'll keep going. Christmas music mixed in here. Let's see. Next time I'll mark some pages. Christmas music. Kumbaya. Kumbaya. Alright, enough of that book. Volume 2. Starts in the middle of the catalog. Alright, this one I know I can do. Okay guys, there you go. There's a sound check. So this is Gone Fishing, number 66. And it's by the time this video gets posted, it will be delivered to the person who's getting it. And so that's actually, hang on a second. There's more, as Dell would say. There's more. What more could there be? Well, you know, the 250th is coming up, and I picked up this pretty nifty little coffee can, and I said, I need a 4th of July 250th birthday celebration guitar. Why not? Because I can, right? So, here's the neck, glued up, ready for shaping. And what could be more American than a dulcimer? Well, a dulcimer with 2 extra frets. So this is a 24-inch diatonic with blues frets, which looks like this. That's my new template. So I'm gonna make a coffee can strum stick with the extra blues notes on the diatonic, and it should be done for the 4th of July. So hopefully we'll get it done. See you on the next one.